Yes po.
I have even planning na.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my second vlog, and it's extra special because I'll be sharing the kick-off event of the community my sister founded and organized, the Coloring Club PH. Yes, you heard it right, a coloring club, as in coloring books, crayons, and color pens for adults. So here's a little backstory. It all started with a simple idea she posted on Threads. She said she saw people in Manila were already doing this, but here in Cavite, there wasn't any official club or page she could join in. So she took the initiative to create one, and to her surprise, many people wanted to be part of it.
Nauna ako. Meron na ba?
Honestly, at first, I thought it was a bit of a silly idea, but I saw her enthusiasm and potential behind it, so why not support and join?
Hi!
I got this for free.
So, mayroong giveaway sa mga first 20, early bird. Ako pinakauna. Top 2. May picture tayo.
To be honest, my sister and I were a little nervous because the rain was pouring and a few joiners had already canceled. And we're expecting about 30 to 40 people who registered online. But after waiting just a few minutes, they started arriving one by one. I think we're about 20 people.
Attendance na daw. Hi. Hi sa QR. Ito meron pang space dito.
The event itself is free. Everyone just pays for their own food and coffee and bring their own coloring materials. No program flow, no formalities, just coloring, coffee, and socializing.
Good morning. So, we're here sa Tinatangi Cafe with the
Founder. Club founder.
mga pautot na kasi yan.
And here's the best part. The cafe manager was kind enough to offer us one of the function rooms even without a reservation. Originally, we planned to hold the event early so the cafe wouldn't be too crowded. But this turned out even better. Everyone ordered food, settled in, and Coloring Club officially came to life. I've always loved drawing and painting, even if I'm not that good at it. For me, it's just a way to take a break from my phone, social media, unwind, and just relax. And I think that's the same mindset many of the members have.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Parang mas dito. Mas perfect dito magano. Nakasalampa ka lang sa sahig.
True. That's the fantasy.
Oo. Hello po. Hello po. Hello po. Hi.
Hi!
Hello, ang galing. Ay, ikaw po gumawa niyan? Opo. Pasay mo, te. Oo nga, gigigil ako eh. Kaya Hindi pwede, competitive tayo. Hello po! Good morning! Si Chris po and everyone. Hello po. Ay, meron pa po doong isang upuan. Or pwede rin po dito.
Meron ba doon?
May isa, yun. Tabi namin ni Pia. Sige, dito ka. Sticker din.
Attendance na lang. Hi. Hi sa QR.
Ito meron pang space dito.
Pwede ba dito? Ano, may extra page yung sa'yo.
Yeah, yung mga sakit-sakit.
Hindi din ako, pero ito wala akong ganyan.
Ano no?
Kasi mag-diploma yata to. Sa kanila mo, wala akong order ko. Meron sa dito. Pero okay lang, napapunit siya. Ito. May ganit pre-cut siya. Ano talaga? Pili ko hindi, kasi nakita ko yung mga pages ng Bollywood goods talaga. Ano, parang may mga intro, ano pa siya, pages. So, pili ko paano lang, copy-copy lang.
Finish to speak mozzarella. Kay Ma'am. Ma'am Ren po.
Pandesal.
Yes, ma'am. Ulitin ko lang ma'am, bali isang chicken Caesar salad, caramel macchiato, ilang ounce to? Mga.
Perfect tools. Ano eh?
Okay, parang gift naman kasi naka-serve. Ay, sorry. Ganda naman.
Anong oras nag-start tong ano?
May petroleum jelly! Ayun ba yun? Color pencil yan ah. Color pencil. Ay, bakit yung color pencil? Diba lang ako kulay?
Petroleum jelly daw.
Ayun ang workshop natin next time.
Yes, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung nalalabasan niya.
Kaya ako kasi mulo ng lahat ng ito. Kaya, so, ayun, welcome and thank you guys sa pagpunta kahit umulan. So, talagang nailabas na natin sa wakas ang mga
Para panalya natin.
mga markers. And, sige, yun lang naman. Ano pa ba pwede ko sabihin? Magkulay na kayo. Go! Sorry, hindi ko lang binigyan natin later. Yun lang. Sige, later may announcements para sa next schedule. Yes. Tapos, meron kaming freebie na ipag-giveaway lang naman sa top, ay sa first 20 na dumating. Care of si May. Si May, palakpakan yung ulan.
Sponsor!
May paano siya, may anong tawag yun? Pakete. Na pwede ko lang. Eh, actually, this one, ito
Pwedeng kulayan.
Naglagay lang ako ng sticker sa loob na may binigyan. Mga candy-candy. So, pasok naman kayo lang. So, lahat na nakakuha. Ayun lang. Enjoy guys. Tapos, sige, from your seats, ano lang kayo, kaway. Tapos, your name and saan kayo galing. Para, medyo makita nyo na yung sino mga kapitbahay nyo. And then, sa pagbakan naman yung, ano na tayo dito, session kapag wala tayong mga main events. Pwede kayo gumawa doon ng small coloring sessions. Malapit sa inyo. Okay? Sige, sino gusto tayo kay si Rai? Hello! Good morning! Ano?
Good morning everyone.
Hello! Hi, classmate!
Tatawagan po niyo. Masabi ko yung tayo, tapos siguro tayo.
Pwede yung
Lagan.
Ayan.
Letting na ka.
Kapitbahay!
Skateboard. Eh, hindi ako master, so pakikinig lang sa inyo.